Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on your GMC Terrain. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts, and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so use jack stands or ramps to secure your vehicle. Begin by warming your engine for about 5 minutes. This helps the old oil drain more easily. Once the engine is slightly warm, safely lift your GMC Terrain using ramps or jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug with your wrench and let all the old oil drain out completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Now, lower your vehicle and carefully pour the new engine oil into the fill cap, typically around 5 to 6 quarts. With the new oil added, check the level using your dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, and recheck the dipstick. Finally, reset your GMC Terrain's oil life monitoring system, which is usually done through the infotainment screen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.